Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how we're up over $2,800 in the past week from swing trading stocks. We exited a position. We bought a new stock. We're going to be breaking down our approach, our strategy. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to elevate your trading, want to learn more, if you guys want to learn how I find these stocks, check out our school. It's fantastic. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years. So click that link, sign up, and you guys can use code 100 to get 50% off. Only one spot left for that code, so use it, sign up, and I'll see you guys in there. But let's jump into this here. So a lot of people, when it comes with swing trading and trading in the market, they think it's an easy way to get rich quick. And yeah, you can get rich quick doing it, but we want to get rich, but we want to make money consistently. That's what literally separates a successful trader from a non-successful trader, because anybody can buy a stock, and when you buy a stock, it's pretty much just like a 50-50 chance of making money, right? So you can do that a couple of times, make some good money, but I want to quit my job. I want to do this. I want to do that. How can I do that? So you need a consistent, profitable strategy. So let's turn to the computer and see our more recent swing trade. Let's go. All right. So we covered profit on RYAN. Looking at this stock here and looking at our handy dandy swing trading journal, we made about $2,800 this past week from swing trading from these three stocks. We took a trade on MasterCard. We're up a couple $100. Took a trade on RYAN, up a little over, $1,500, and then we're up on VU as well. So all three are fantastic, but we did cover profit on RYAN. But why did we enter this position? Now, before we talk about that, everybody always asks me, they go, Carter, I want to swing trade. What is the best broker? The broker I use is Moomoo. They're absolutely fantastic. They offer great charting, paper trading, scanning. They have artificial intelligence scanners. So click that link. I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stock just by signing up. But in order for me to be interested in a position, I want it to follow my approach, my checklist, my strategy. So the first thing is an upward trend. You guys will notice the stock has gone from lows at about $41 all the way up to about $75 in about a year and a half. It then sold off down from $75 to about $60. Now for me, I never get scared of sell-off. Sell-off always brings opportunity. People get scared all the time. They go, Carter, man, I bought this stock. It sold off. I lost $200. Okay, you lost $300 in the sell-off. But sell-off brings opportunity, right? So for me, this sell-off here, I looked at it. I said, okay, the stock sold off down to that 200-day moving average line. So this red line, which has great tendencies of acting as support. So I know we could get some buying pressure from this. The next thing I looked at was the RSI, which is the relative strength index. At the time, it was trading for about a 21. The last time it was trading for a 21 was all the way back in here. And what happened? The stock went from $35 to about $41 a share. So then I go, okay, I want to get in on some sort of breakout. So you guys can see this general downward trend, right? So we entered on this breakout in the other direction here. So you guys can kind of see as we zoom in, we got in on this breakout and the stock rallied its way up, and then it kind of broke through that trend here today. So we did exit the position. Now, the thought process I had was entering there, keeping our stop loss about 4%. Normally it's 2%, but I wanted to keep it below this lower, these lower wicks right here. So it was a little bit of a higher stop loss, but the reward was for it to come up to resistance. It broke through beforehand, but either way, it was still a very, very, very good trade. I'm very happy with it. All right. Now, we did take a new position here. We did take a new position here on Netflix, NFLX. Looking at this, you guys will notice a very similar situation here. The stock, right? The stock here has this great upward trend. The RSI is a little high. So why did we get in? What did we do to limit, to minimize risk? Well, the first thing we did is to Not go heavy. Not go heavy with a position. Lighter position. We always could add more if the stock does start kind of following our direction more. So great upward trend. Sold off down to that 90-day moving average line. You guys can see in the past where it hits this several times and it does establish support here. So one of the things though is you guys will also know this yellow line is the 50-day moving average line. So the main difference between the blue and the yellow is strength levels. So the 90 is going to be a harder support, harder resistance than the 50. Now, why we got in here is because we could enter here. Let's go ahead and draw this out. And this is why, guys, I love Moo. Enter there, keep our stop about 2% for possible push up to the resistance is about a 4-to-1 risk and reward, which is really, really good here. Now, yes, we do have this, which is another reason why we went light. Another light position. We do have that short-term downward trend, but what we're looking for is for this hourly time frame to start breaking out. We're gonna see if it will follow this trend and continue to rally above this red line, which is that 90-day moving average line. You can see in the past where it broke above it, it established support and popped up. That's what we're looking for, just a short, small move that we could make a couple $100 off. The reason why we went light is because of the volatility and because it's not, we're paying a little premium for it. We're paying a little premium because it's not really on the 90-day moving average line. So we could see some buying pressure. Ideally, a breakout would be very, very good. So we're up $2,800 in the past week. Absolutely great trade. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. If you want to sign up with Moo, I'll put a link to him down below. 20 free stocks. At least sign up. It's free and it costs you nothing. And you guys can start trying to trade. So we'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and take care.